Expressions and operators. The symbols which are used to perform logical and mathematical operations in a C program are called C operators. These C operators join individual constants and variables to form expressions. Operators, functions, constants and variables are combined together to form expressions. Consider the expression a plus b into 5, where plus asterisk are operators, a, b are variables, 5 is constant, and a plus b into 5 is an expression. Types of C operators. C language offers many types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, conditional operators or ternary operators, increment and decrement operators, special operators. Arithmetic operators in C. C arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus in C programs. Example program for C arithmetic operators. In this example program, two values 40 and 20 are used to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and output is displayed for each operation. Output. Addition of AB is 60, subtraction of AB is 20, multiplication of AB is 800, division of AB is 2, modulus of AB is 0. Assignment operators. In C programs, values for the variables are assigned using assignment operators. For example, if the value 10 is to be assigned for the variable sum, it can be assigned as open quotes sum is equal to 10 semicolon close quotes. Other assignment operators in C language. Example program for C assignment operators. In this program, values from 0 to 9 are summed up and total 45 is displayed as output. Assignment operators such as open quotes is equal to close quotes and open quotes plus is equal to close quotes are used in this program to assign the values and to sum up the values. Output. Total is equal to 45. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to find the relation between two variables, that is, to compare the values of two variables in a C program. Example program for relational operators in C. In this program, relational operator open bracket is equal to close bracket is used to compare two values whether they are equal or not. If both values are equal, output is displayed as open quotes values are not equal close quotes. Note: colon double equal sign open bracket is equal to close bracket should be used to compare two values. We should not use single equal sign, just one equal to. Output. M and N are not equal. Logical operators. These operators are used to perform logical operations on the given expressions. There are three logical operators in C language. They are logical and logical or and logical not. Example program for logical operators in C. In this program, operators open bracket and or not are used to perform logical operations on the given expression. Logical and operator. Open quotes, if clause, close quotes, becomes true only when both conditions, that is, m is greater than n and m not equal to 0 is true, else it becomes false. Logical or operator. If clause becomes true when any one of the condition where O is greater than P or P not equal to 20 is true. It becomes false when none of the condition is true. Logical not operator. It is used to reverse the state of the operand. If the conditions m is greater than n and m not equal to 0 is true, 1 is returned. This value is inverted by open quotes logical not close quotes operator. So, open quotes logical not open bracket m is greater than n and m not equal to 0 close bracket close quote returns false open bracket 0 close bracket. Bitwise operators. These operators are used to perform bit operations. Decimal values are converted into binary values, which are the sequence of bits, and bitwise operators work on these bits. Bitwise operators in C language are AND, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise NOT, XOR, left shift and right shift. Consider X is equal to 40 and Y is equal to 80. Binary form of these values, all bitwise operations for X and Y. Note, bitwise NOT. Value of 40 in binary is as shown above, so all zeros are converted into ones in bitwise NOT operation. Bitwise left shift and right shift. In left shift operation, open quotes X, left shift 1, close quotes, comma 1 means that the bits will be left shifted by one place. If we use it as open quotes X, left shift 2, close quotes, then it means that the bits will be left shifted by two places. Example program for bitwise operators in C. In this example program, bitwise operations are performed as shown above and output is displayed in decimal format. Output AND underscore OPR value is equal to 0, OR underscore OPR value is equal to 120, NOT underscore OPR value is equal to 41, XOR underscore OPR value is equal to 120, left underscore shift value is equal to 80, right underscore shift value is equal to 20. Conditional or ternary operators. Conditional operators return one value if condition is true and returns another value if condition is false. This operator is also called as ternary operator. In above example, if A is greater than 100, 0 is returned, else 1 is returned. This is equal to if-else conditional statements. Example program for conditional/ternary operators in C. Output, X value is 1, Y value is 2. Increment or decrement operators. Increment operators are used to increase the value of the variable by 1 and decrement operators are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1 in C programs. Example program for increment operators in C. In this program, value of I is incremented one by one from 1 up to 9 using open quotes I++ close quotes operator and output is displayed as open quotes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 close quotes. Example for increment operators. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Example program for decrement operators in C. In this program, value of I is decremented one by one from 20 up to 11 using open quote I minus close quote operator and output is displayed as 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Example for decrement operators. Output 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Special operators in C. Some of the special operators that C language offers. Example program for AND asterisk operators in C. In this program, AND symbol is used to get the address of the variable and asterisk symbol is used to get the value of the variable that the pointer is pointing to. Please refer C pointer topic to know more about pointers. Output 50. Example program for size of open close bracket operator in C. Size of open close bracket operator is used to find the memory space allocated for each C data types. Output. Storage size for int data type 4. Storage size for char data type 1. Storage size for float data type 4. Storage size for double data type 8.